What happens when all the holders of the joint safe deposit locker dies, leaving no nominees? That's a topic for discussion today in the Market Secrets investment series. Before we get started with the today's session, I'd like to mention that we at Market Secrets had recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you are someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's jump into today's session and let's start with assumptions. So this is a joint safe deposit locker account and all or both the holders dies. Okay, so there are two joint holders here and both of them dies, and there are no nominations available for all of the deceased. So both the joint holders, they didn't nominate anyone to their account. Okay, so these are the assumptions. Now what are the documents required in such case? One is account holders death certificate. So both of them are dead. So we need death certificate of both the account holders. And in addition to that, we need legal representation for both the account holders. So we need either a will or a succession certificate or a court decree. So we need this separately for both the account holders. Okay, both the joint account holders, they have their own will, they might have their own succession certificate, and they might have their own decree. So once we have all of this, we can submit a letter to the bank asking to provide the access to the joint locker. Okay, bank can evaluate the request and they can provide the access, but while providing the access, they need to prepare list of items available in the locker. So when these new owners access the locker for the first time, the bank officials will come with them and they'll evaluate list of items available in the locker and they will prepare the list. This list will come in handy if there are any legal issues in the future. Okay, and now to whom access should be provided? In this case, a joint access will be provided to the legal heirs of all the deceased holders. Okay, so both the persons are dead here, so both the persons have their own legal heirs. So to all of them, a joint access will be provided. Okay, so this should be requested together, and only if all the legal heirs request at the same time, the access can be provided. So this is what happens when all the account holders of a joint safe deposit locker dies, leaving no nominees. If you have any queries, comments or feedback about this, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Also, hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.